Oh god, that was horrible. Hey, I should clean this. Anyways, look at my face. It's all red from my hand being on it. What's up, guys? This video is not gonna be like a long one. It's gonna be a 2-day one because my braids, I got them done like, jeez, I have to open my window OD far. Don't fall. I got my braids done like a month ago, and it is time for these things to come out. My hair is itching. Anyways, by the time you see this one, the video I posted a video and it should be up. It was so fun editing it. I just realized this is gonna take years because these beads are gonna get all over the place. Anyways, today's part is just gonna be of me taking out my hair. Tomorrow is hair wash day, and tomorrow is gonna be sharing what I do to my hair after I get out the shower, because my hair has grown OD, an extreme amount. I have so much hair, I don't know what to do with it. I'm keeping it obviously, but it's healthy, it's doing great, so I figured why not share what I do. Maybe it'll work for your hair, maybe it won't. The only thing I hate about cutting braids out is I just hope I'm not cutting my real hair, because you know I'm not due for a trim. Today is Saturday. I'm not gonna say I have a full busy week ahead of me because I never do. But the week after this one, I'll be filming another video. Well, I'll be filming a lot. That's what we're gonna say. I want to do like a Christmas wish list video. So hopefully I post this in time so that you guys can go and follow me on Instagram, and I'll put like a little question thingy up. Anyways, I've never got short braids. I feel like I should, but I won't. Anyways, with the little Good morning, America. Yo, look at my face. And it's not even like actually morning, it's like 3 o'clock in the afternoon, but you know, morning to me. Anyways, I forgot to finish filming me taking my braids out yesterday because I was extremely tired. But they're out, and now I gotta go wash my hair, and I don't want to because I have so much. Like, what the heck? I mean, it looks great, and I know that when I get out the shower it won't look like this, but this is what it should be looking like every day on a daily basis. But it don't, because having curly hair, you know, your hair chooses the days that it wants to look great. Like, and my hair has grown so much. Like, do you see all of this? Like, who is she? Like, I don't even know her. I'm not even used to her. Okay, I gotta put it back up. Even though I'm about to take it down because I'm showering. Anyways, so I'll be back after my hair is all washed and looking psycho. And then you guys get to see the process, what goes on. Even though I have no idea where the brush is, I don't know where the comb is, I don't know where nothing is. What an adventure. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, we're back. My hair's freshly washed, and I'm ready to do what has to be done. But like, do you see all this? Do you know how much? Okay, we're gonna. Okay. For the most part, I use like 3 or 4 products. Now, it's kind of difficult to, but it's okay. We always manage to pull through. Now, we gotta refresh the water. I know I just washed my hair, but when I put products in, it's easier when there's like, when my hair's damp and my hair dries really fast. Where's my nose? Disgusting. I don't feel like all the way up to the top. Anyways, we use normal water, and then I put oil. I don't know what it is. I normally put rosemary oil in the water because it says for skin and hair. So that's what I normally put in there, but I can't find it. So we're just gonna have to settle for castor oil. We'll put castor oil in the water. Okay. Just a tiny bit, not too much, like literally like a pinch, because I put oil in my hair when I'm going through it. I hope this doesn't cut out because I can't stop recording because my hands are like oily. Anyways, yeah, where the fuck is my phone? We gotta get started. So we have the oil, we have the water. Some people put leave-in conditioner in here, but I don't. Cute. Okay, let's get down to business. So I use this oil. Just it's growth oil. That's what I was putting in my hair when I had braids. But I don't like I like those oils with like the knobs or like the spray better because that's easy. And then we use this Carol's Daughter spray, you know, thing. I'm not really, it's supposed to moisturize my hair, so I use it because sometimes it's easier. Anyways, also use Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. It's really great. And this gel. Now this gel I don't like it. I don't like it. But it's what we have left. It's Eco Gel, but it's the blue one. I like Eco Gel, but this one is just not, she doesn't give what she's supposed to give. And then at the very end I use curl refresher. And I also use 2 brushes. Cute. I know some people are like, girl, what the heck? But it's okay. It works. It works. Trust me. At least for my hair. And then my very last step is diffuser. But I don't know if I'm gonna do that today because we don't have heat protectant. Anyways, still number one section my hair. It's not out. It's not even sections because I don't feel like doing all that. So hard work. And I have my cape on because I don't want to get my PJs dirty. Is it weird that I refresh my PJs every 2 days or 3 days? Like, is there people that change their PJs every day of the week? Because they must have endless supply. Anyways, there we go. My hair's wet. And I do 3 sections for the most part. Sometimes if I'm lazy, I'll do 2 because I have an extreme amount of hair, and this was in there, so we're gonna use that too. But I have an extreme amount of hair, so for the most part I do 3 sections. But when I'm lazy, I do 2. I put oil on the ends because, you know, you gotta be oiled up. What did I do? I did something. But like, I hate how castor oil smells, and it's extremely like thick. So, and of course my hair decides to shed because it's been in braids, so that's fine, I think. Anyways, when it comes to these products, I don't put too much of like the individual ones because I'm using a lot of products already. So it's literally like the smallest amount, and gonna make sure it gets all in there. But I pretty much do this for all the rest of my sections too. We're gonna keep this thingy so that y'all know what I'm doing to each of these sections, and then when I finish this one, I will speed through doing the rest. We have that goes on last. We're gonna get some more of it. Okay, great. And then we brush through with the first brush, because this brush for my hair is better for detangling it. So I should have brought scissors so I can cut off some of the ends, but I wasn't really thinking, honestly. Anyways, that's done. And then you do the same thing to all the rest of the sections. So let's do that. Okay. All parts of my hair are finally moisturized. Except for the middle. Literally, I avoid doing the middle because it's my tender spot. But then I was like, if I avoid doing the middle, I'm gonna just have this freaking one tiny short hair in the middle, and that's gonna look weird. And it did look weird for a long time because I was doing that until I noticed that it was shorter than like other parts of my hair. So me being me, I just didn't do it. Like, I ignored it, but had to change that up once my hair started growing. She's thriving. It took me a long time to like find products that actually worked for my hair because I don't know, my hair has a million different, well, it did have a million different curl patterns. So I was like, what do I do? And then I figured it out, found something that worked, and I learned my hair process something kind of, not really. It's like I know that my hair needs a lot of moisture. Okay, and then the last step is the gel and be better. And I don't really scrunch it in because then that might, like, the shrinkage is crazy. So I should put it back in the part. So I can do it. I don't put too much because this one flakes and I don't want it to look like I have freaking dandruff. So you put a little bit. You put a little bit. But I need to find, like, maybe mousse would be better. The length. But I hate shrinkage. I hate it. I hate it extremely. Now, I feel like that's gonna be it for this video. Wait, we're done. We're finished. Like I said, thank you for watching. Subscribe, leave thumbs up, and click the notification bell. And have a great day. I don't know what day I'm gonna be posting this. Have a great day and smile today. Smile today. Even if that's yourself in the mirror, smile right now. Right now. Okay, great. Bye.
Yes, I really don't know what Christmas is all about.